From the makers of India's most iconic townships comes a vision that blends legacy with lifestyle. Golf course, green and grandeur all in one master planned city. This is Godrej City Panvel, where the legacy of Godrej lives large. I want to give you the overview of this 145 acres of land parcel within which you have everything from school, from cafes, from subway, from police station, from fire station, you name it, and everything is there inside. And that is why this is called a city within a city. In 145 acres, you are getting 70% of open space. As you can see right behind me, this is a 9-hole golf course which is provided inside your land parcel within the community where people can come and enjoy. If you're a person who loves golf, this is a paradise for you. And not just that, if you can see behind me, what you see is the Matharan Hills where I am standing right now. This is also a hill on which the golf course is made. So everywhere around you there's serenity, there's peace, there's calmness, and if I just quiet down for a moment, I can hear the birds chirping. That's the best part. If you're looking for something like this, this is the perfect place. You ought to come and check out the sample apartments. I'm sure you're already impressed about the project, but now I want to dwell on the facts of the project, make it more impressionable to you. The location of this project is very prime. From here you get seamless connectivity. First of all, let me tell you that this project is just off the Mumbai-Pune Expressway, giving you seamless connectivity to Pune, Bombay, Alibag, wherever you want to go, you can use that expressway. Other than that, Navi Mumbai International Airport is also hardly 20 minutes from here, which is also now operational. From here, you can connect Atal Setu in hardly 25 minutes, and from there, Sobo is going to be maximum 1 hour. That means it is cutting down a lot of time for people who travel to BKC and other financial hubs. Educational hub like Kharghar is also close by. You can connect that in hardly 20 minutes. Also, Belapur is also close from here. Location is very prime, but other than that, a lot of infrastructural development is also happening around. Your Metro Line 8, the Gold Line, which is going to connect the Navi Mumbai International Airport to the Mumbai Airport, is going to come up in the future. Mohape Station is going to come up in the future. A lot of good schools, colleges, hospitals. First of all, they're already inside your community also, but outside also all these developments are going to come up. Now that I wanted to talk about the community inside your 145 acres, let me tell you that before the green terraces, which is the focus of this video, a new cluster, we had other clusters also, for example, Meadows, Highlands, but they have launched green terraces where you will be getting 1, 2 and 3 bed apartments. This is a G+38 story tower where you get 7 levels of parking, ample amount of parking for you. Other than that, you have lots and lots of amenities on the podium, as you can see for yourself. You have an Olympic sized swimming pool, you have a kids play area, multi-purpose lawn, sports areas. Everything is here for you to enjoy with your children and your elderly. This project is for those people who are interested in carpet area ranging from roughly around 450 square feet to 1160 square feet. This is your 2 BHK sample apartment of around 988 square feet. So come inside. First of all, this is your foyer space, and at the entrance itself on your right hand side is going to be the kitchen, but we will come back to it. First of all, this is your very spacious living and dining area. As you can see for yourself, the space is enough to keep everything which you need in a cozy living room. You can fit a 6-seater sofa here, ample amount of distance between your television unit and your sofa, very important. And this is the deck you are getting, very spacious. You will be getting anti-skid flooring in your washrooms and your terrace, which is your sun deck, and from here you can enjoy the view of the Matharan Hill, or if you want, you can enjoy the view of the 9-hole golf course or the amenity. It is up to you what view you want from your apartment. This is your 6-seater dining space. They have put a 4-seater right now, but you can very perfectly, very nicely fit a 6-seater here. If you're a big family, please utilize that space. Now, the kitchen which was left earlier, let's explore that. In the kitchen, you will be getting 2 parallel platforms, ample amount of space for the wardrobes and your utilities. This is the utility area, and it is not small, it is not cramped. You have space to keep a big sized washing machine. You can dry your clothes also there, and the space is very good. This is the area which is given for your refrigerator. Now we will be moving towards the bedrooms, and also let me tell you that the floor to ceiling height is very good, and that is why you're getting a very spacious feel in the apartment. This is the common washroom. The tiling work looks very premium. You will be getting fittings of top-notch quality. It's looking very extravagant. Now let's move towards the first bedroom. The first thing which I want to say when I enter into this room is according to a common bedroom, it is very spacious. Now you see, you can access the wardrobe from that side, you can put your side table, you can also make this your vanity area, put a small stool right here. Here is the space where if you want, you can put a television once again, or you can make your work from home concept here. You can change this entire room into a studio if you're an influencer. A lot of possibilities going on. Now we'll be moving towards the master bedroom, which can start from here if you put a door. At the very entrance is your attached washroom, once again very spacious. And this is the master bedroom. You're getting half windows for ventilation and sunlight facing the same direction as the other bedroom and the living room. That means view is going to be the same from all the windows, from all the part of your home. This was your 2 BHK apartment of around 988 square feet. It is starting from 1 crore 24 lakhs all inclusive, and 1 BHK here is starting from 85 lakhs all inclusive. Yes, that's amazing in a project like this, in a location like this, which has a very bright future. If you're interested, you know what to do. Contact us on the number given below.